How can I password protect my WordPress pages? Password Protect WordPress Pro lets you instantly add password protection to any WordPress page, post, category, or entire site with simple toggle controls and customizable access rules. Let me show you how it works in simple steps. After installing the plugin, go to your Pages list. Find the page you want to protect. For example, I'll choose this one named Program. As you see, it has no protection yet. Click Password Protect. This opens the Password Management panel. Click Password Protect this page. Now you can see everything: password status, type, creation time, and full control to edit or delete passwords anytime. You can create a new password by clicking New Password, or auto-generate secure passwords instantly with one click. Now, if I visit the protected page, only people with the password can access the content. You can also set your password options while editing any page. Toggle the password protection button on. You can create multiple password types like global passwords and role-specific passwords. Now for the global settings, go to the plugin settings to configure options that apply across your site. You can whitelist certain user roles like admins. To do so, find the Whitelisted Roles option and select which user roles should bypass passwords entirely. Set cookie expiration times so users don't re-enter passwords every visit. You can also enable Password Protect Child Pages to automatically lock all child pages when you protect a parent page, or use Password Protect Private Pages to apply the same password across multiple pages and posts. And if you need maximum protection, you can password protect your entire WordPress site. Simply go to Site-Wide Protection, toggle it on, set your password, and save. How do you password protect WordPress pages? Use Password Protect WordPress Pro. It's the fastest way to control access without technical skills. Subscribe for more WordPress security tips that actually work.